Hello, I'm Ananta Gautam, CEO of ACCA Financial Academy and a faculty member specializing in Financial Accounting and Taxation. Today, I'm excited to share with you how our innovative blended learning model is transforming education in Nepal and helping our students achieve unprecedented success. At ACCA Financial Academy, we understand the importance of face-to-face interaction. Our classes provide the essential human connection and immediate feedback that enhance learning. But we don't stop there. In addition to our in-person classes, students enrolled with us from June 2024 get free access to our world-class online revision platform. Here, you can find extra revision materials available anytime, anywhere. Our online platform provides comprehensive revision notes, detailed mock exams, and engaging lectures, enabling up to 6 computer-based practice exams to track progress and identify the improvement areas. With an impressive 89% pass rates, our data-driven blended learning model ensures top-notch effectiveness and engagement, achieving the highest success rates in the country. By using digital tools to gather data on comprehension, engagement, and attendance, we analyze trends and offer targeted support. Whether it's reaching out to students who need extra help or adjusting course materials based on class-wide performance, our approach ensures that every student gets the support they need. At ACCA Financial Academy, we believe in providing the best of both worlds, the effectiveness of face-to-face interaction combined with the flexibility of online resources. Prepare to succeed with our innovative blended learning model. Thank you.